Hello everyone, welcome to Get My Class. Today we are going to solve this question which says ovulation in female can be inhibited by contraceptive oral pills by the secretion of option A follicle stimulating hormones, option B luteinizing hormone, option C progesterone, option D none of the above. Let us understand the question. It says ovulation in female can be inhibited by the contraceptive oral pills by the secretion of. So, which among these will be secreted by the contraceptive pills, which will inhibit the ovulation in female? So, first of all, what do we mean by ovulation? So, let us understand the important terminology given. That is, ovulation is nothing but release of the ovum. Release of ovum. That is what is called as ovulation. And when does it occur? It occurs during the menstrual cycle. Okay. So during the menstrual cycle, you have four phases, that is menstrual phase, ovulatory phase. So during ovulatory phase, okay, of the menstrual cycle, ovum is released. Ovum is released. Okay, how? By the rupturing of Graafian follicle. Okay. Now, for this to happen, there are two important hormones which are necessary or which are released by the pituitary gland. They are nothing but the LH and FSH. Okay, LH is nothing but the luteinizing hormone. Okay, luteinizing hormone, and FSH is nothing but the follicular stimulating hormone. Okay, hormone and FSH follicle stimulating hormone. Okay. Now, what is the function of these? As the name indicates, luteinizing hormone and follicular stimulating hormone or follicle stimulating hormone, these are necessary for the formation of the follicles as well as the release of the ovum. Okay, and that is why these hormones are produced during this menstrual phase and during the ovulatory phase for the entire process to occur, that is formation of the follicle and for the rupturing of the follicle and for the release of the ovum. So these two hormones are very, very important. Now, there are certain hormones which are utilized in the pills, that is contraceptive pills, which will be antagonistic to these. That means they will inhibit the release of these. That is nothing but the progesterone. Okay? Progesterone hormone, what will it do? It will inhibit ovulation. Inhibit ovulation. So high level of progesterone, it has inhibitory effect of releasing this LH and FSH by pituitary gland. And that's how it will inhibit the ovulation process. Okay. So let us look at the option. Option A says follicle stimulating hormone. So this doesn't inhibit, in fact, it induces. Hence it is ruled out. Option B, luteinizing hormone. Luteinizing hormone is again, it induces the ovulation process. Hence it is ruled out. Because we are looking for the inhibited, which gets which inhibits the ovulation process. And these hormones, they're talking about the hormone which are present in the contraceptive oral pills. So these two hormones should not be there because these will induce the process of ovulation. What about progesterone? Just now we discussed the progesterone. Yes, that is the one which will be present in the oral pills, and this is the one which will inhibit the ovulation process. Okay. So it has that contraceptive effect. That is why this hormone has been taken in the form of pills. Okay, so that is the right answer. Option D says none of the above. That is a wrong option because we have an answer that is option C. So let us conclude the answer. The answer is option C, that is progesterone. I hope you understood the explanation. Thank you, everyone.